Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, or should I say keychain. Now this here is from Boruit. Now this here is their U6. Now they sent this to me. Of course, I've done quite a few reviews for them for a while this year. Comes in this box. They wanted me to feature it here on my channel. So I'm not seeing any kind of specs here on the light. It looks like it puts out 1600 lumens. That's a lot of light coming out of a little keychain light. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Now their lights, I've reviewed quite a few of them in this year and part of last year, and been really surprised with them. Impressed. Here's the user manual. Now they do have multi-language on this manual, but they do have a little light chart on here, so that's nice. So let me bring it up to you close here. Trying to get my camera to focus. So as you can see there, 1600 lumens is the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Now my understanding, this is using the same LED as the previous models that I've reviewed, which are the 3030 LEDs. So you got triple LEDs on the 3030. USB Type-C charging cable. Here's the lanyard here. It's pretty big. Doesn't say their name on it. And here's the key ring, because they consider it a keychain light. It might be a little too big for some people. And here's the light. Definitely is a unique looking light. Now according to them, this is running an 18350. It's internal. Grab my handy knife here. It is magnetic, so you can hands-free it. Huge plus. I do it all the time. So let me go ahead and show you the LEDs first. You gotta get an idea here. Special optics there, those are the 3030 LEDs, but there's triple LEDs on each set of lenses there. Now this feels like an ABS plastic, and this here on the head is aluminum. Power switch and your mode switch there. Here's the charging port. There. It does have a two-way clip on here, so you can carry it on yourself or your hat. Definitely is a unique design. You can table stand that if you need. Style and design on this is nice. I like the white and black. It's actually pretty nice looking. It's the magnet there. And because this is plastic, it should be nice and resistant of scratches. Here are the multicolored LEDs here on the other side. Now you can remove this clip if you don't want it on there. Well, normally I would open this up and show you the battery, but this is a sealed unit. So now let's go through the UI. I turn it on here, press and hold. Yep, there we go. Lights up on both buttons. Now with the power button, you can just turn it on and turn it off by pressing and holding, or you can go through those light levels by just clicking on it. That is cool white. Wow. Impressive. It's a lot of light coming out of this thing. Press and hold turns it off. Okay, so now you can power on this and do it from there, or you can just press and hold this other button. Turns on the back LED. This is the red LED. Blinking, white, warm white. That's going to be nice for people that like warm or cool white. You got it right here in this light. Let's take a look here at the beam before we head out there with this. So the red is good. Nice floody beam. So I do have the strobe. And then here's the cool white. So these are 3030 LEDs on the back here, by the way, just letting you know. Not sure if I said that earlier. And then we can click it again. We'll go to a warm white. Now 2 LEDs are coming on here. So a little bit brighter than the other one. Right back to the red. We'll press and hold to turn that off. Now we're going to take a look here at the beam on this light. Nice centralized area. Now it's not super focused, but it is concentrated there. Now the further out you get, it's probably going to lean more towards the flood. And that's all there is to this light. Simple and easy to operate this thing. I like the little gray bezels around there. Definitely is a nice looking little light. Definitely unique. Definitely start a conversation with this. Feels pretty rugged too as well. It's got some weight to it. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this U6 out. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Boruit U6. This thing is really impressive. I've got to take my hats off to him. This is definitely going to buy a few more of these myself. And I'm going to start off with the side lights. We got the red, of course. I'm going to kind of show them here. You can see the blinking. There's the cool white. Look at that flood. All coming from this little thing. So impressive side lights on this. I'm liking this a little bit more than the other models. And we're going to go ahead and turn that back on, sorry. And there's the warm. So if you're liking more of a warm white, and get this light, it'll be the best of both worlds. A lot of mosquitoes out here. We've been having a major heat wave here. So you can easily see probably about 25-30 feet with this. Little side lights. Keep turning it off here. Now we're right back to the red. Press and hold. Now we're going to go ahead and do the main LEDs. Start off here on the water spout. And it is on. I like the way that switch glows like that. It's nice. There's the fence there. That's about 22 feet. So you can see at this light output how well this is doing. Alright, so now we're going to raise it up a little bit here. There we go, a little jump. Nice spacing on the UI. And kind of see. Doesn't have a lot of range, but you'll see when it gets in the higher levels, it does really good. 65 feet there, and 38 feet to that water spout. There's the beam on the fence again. Let's go ahead and do the next level. There we go. It's really come alive. It's making 138 feet there now on the Tree of Life at this light output, but you'll see more of it when we go up to the next levels. Look at that. 138 feet there. Spill area. It tapers off, but still usable. Faintly making 238 feet there as well. $65 feet there, man. All coming from this little light. Very nice. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots on this thing. Very nice performance. The beam on here, cool white. Me, I like 5K to cool white, 6K. So right in anything between that. This here falls within that. Little floody beam. These little side lights, you know, put it on a metal object. Emergency, you can use that as well. Hands free it. Wear it on your baseball cap if you want on the top. Have a little headlamp. I don't wear baseball caps, but you can do so. Pocket carry it. Put it in your pocket. It feels rugged, so it's plastic, so it's not gonna, if you do get scratches on it, you're not gonna really see them as well. But hands free it, USB Type-C, charge it on the go. It's got an 18350 in here, so you should be able to get some good run time on it, and that's going to really help this thing out. So this is, I'm kind of liking this a little more than the angle ones, that the little keychain ones that I had done, but this is slowly taking over. I definitely might get a couple more of these for gifts. This definitely is a nice little light. Alright, well, I want to thank Boruit for sending me this. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video, including a special discount code, and you can use that, and that'll help save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new lights from Boruit to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.